Lasermet presents the Lucas Tabletop Enclosure. A Class 1 optical table enclosure designed for rapid assembly by end users. Equipped with a dual-channel interlock control system. It ensures maximum safety and full compliance with laser safety standards. A complete assembly of the Lucas Tabletop Enclosure has an interlock controller, LED mini sign, distribution box, and 4 pairs of dual-channel interlock switches. How does an interlocked Lucas Tabletop work? Once installation and setup are complete, starting and arming the system is simple. Enable the key switch to arm the system. When armed, the LED sign switches to danger. The interlock controller's LED displays the status of the system and interlocks. The enclosure panels are locked in place with a spring-loaded latch. The 2 end cover panels and movable panels have interlock switches. If any interlock switch is disengaged, the system signals an unsafe condition and powers off any laser operating inside the enclosure. Once all interlocks are re-engaged and safety is confirmed, the system can be rearmed instantly with no power reset needed. Upgrade your laser safety today with expertly designed systems from Lasermet.